so this is what we're having for dinner. I make beef stew about once a week because we just love it so much. So last week I made a video, I'm not sure if you can see that, about regarding this Missouri mix biscuit mix, and I made the basic biscuits. But today we're going to do the barbecue bread, which has cheese and onion soup mix, and then more cheese, and then melted butter on top. And it calls for sesame seeds, but I keep forgetting to buy sesame seeds, so I don't think we'll miss it. So let's make this barbecue bread, and let me go get my biscuit mix out of the fridge. Alrighty, so let's start out, and I will put all the recipe for the Missouri mix and for the barbecue bread down below in the video's description box, and also I'll link above to the original video where I made just this biscuit mix and the basic biscuits if you want to watch it. But these recipes will be down below in the video's description box for you. So we need 1.5 cups of Missouri mix. And this is a 1/2 cup measurement, so I need 3 of these. Okay. We need a 1/2 cup of grated cheddar cheese. I have this triple pepper jack cheese. I don't know if you can see it. And I have cheddar cheese, but I just don't feel like shredding it. So I'm just gonna use this, and I think it'll be just fine. You could probably use whatever type of shredded cheese you wanted to use. Okay, 1/2 cup. We need a 1/2 cup of milk. 1 egg. And my oven is preheated to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. An egg. And then we need 1/2 pack of onion soup mix. And I'll save the other 1/2 for something else. I'm just gonna eyeball 1/2 of this. That's 1/2 pack. Put that away properly. All right, and then we just mix it up. So then we spread this into an 8-inch round buttered pan. And I have a cake pan that I think would be perfect for this. Let me go grab it. Okay, I have an 8-inch cake pan that I've just greased really well. And so we want to put this mix in here. Oh God, let's see if I can't do this. And smooth it out, spread it around. And I remember the basic biscuits they puffed up pretty high. There's a lot of baking powder in here if I remember right. So let's get the rest of this off of here. All right, let me wash my hands. Okay, so I have melted butter in here, and I'm just gonna add, screw it, the rest of that cheese. And then we just pour this over the top, and this is where you would put your sesame seeds, but like you said, I cannot ever remember to buy the damn thing, so no sesame seeds for us, but that's okay. And then just try to, and this cheese it calls for Parmesan cheese on top, so not really a good way of evenly distributing this. I think this is gonna be really good. I have high hopes for this. I'm just kind of spreading it around. And then this bakes, like I said, in a 400 degree Fahrenheit oven for about 25 minutes. And then when you're done, you cut it into wedges and serve hot. So, okay, I'll see you when these are done. Look at that. It smells amazing. Just gonna loosen it around the sides. I'm gonna let it cool a little bit before I cut it.
So what chicken scratch did you make today?
Daniel, I made barbecue bread out of that Missouri mix biscuit.
Why is it called barbecue bread? Because you eat it when you barbecue?
Well, it's good. There's cheese and onion soup mix and more cheese and butter on top.
So chicken scratch.
Well, it's a biscuit. Just eat it. Well, let's kind of like a biscuit. It was baked in a loaf and then cut into wedges. What do you think?
Pretty good.
Yeah, it's good.
Kind of reminds me of cornbread.
Really? It's savory. It's very savory. And you could use whatever type of cheese you want to use in this.
Tastes pretty good hot.
Yeah, it said to serve warm. So it's been, obviously, it's been a hot minute since I made these. So Dan heated it up in the microwave. But yeah, I thought they were really good.
I like it better than cornbread.
Oh yeah? Do you like it better than that cornbread I just made last week?
Yeah.
Earlier this week? Whatever.
Yeah.
I don't even know what day it is. Well, they're good. Yeah, they're delicious.
But nothing beats those flaky man biscuits
Are you
that come in the tube.
Oh, those are gross. Those are
Yeah.
so greasy.
Every man likes those.
Yeah, that's probably true. Well, there you go, Dan. Do you think it'll go good with the stew?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. All right, well, so that recipe comes from this Granny's Kitchen. It's from the Mason County Senior Center. They put together a little cookbook, and this is from, I already forgot what year this was. The 70s, I believe. 1975. So, and who knows how old this recipe is. But I'll probably be making more stuff out of here because there's a lot of cool recipes. All right. Well, I will, like I said, post a recipe for you guys down below in the video's description box. And without further ado, I hope you guys have a good night.
Good night.
Bye.